Hi, it's Chef Rick, and today I'm making blood orange and Campari cake.
All right, really easy one this. Start with 4 eggs and give them a good whisk. And oranges, now if you can get blood oranges, that's great. You want 8 if you can get blood oranges, but I can only get these oranges, so you're just going to get the zest off them with a fine grater. I've got one of these nice thin graters, but you can, your grater setting will have a dead small bit on it, so you just move it around the outside. Don't take away any of the pith. Just get all that lovely outside bit. And there you go, that's your orange peel all grated. 250 grams of unsalted butter. I put that way too hot. Yeah, just put that in a pan and melt it down, then let it cool. Greek yogurt, 350 grams of Greek yogurt. Caster sugar, 300 grams. In with your eggs and the melted butter. Give everything a really good mix round. Takes a second to combine this, just the way the yogurt is, but you'll see it all combines really nicely. And that is semolina, 350 grams of fine semolina and 100 grams of ground almonds and that lovely orange peel. Give everything a really, really good mix round. Fold it in on itself. You don't want to overwork it. Yeah, you want it to be all nice and light. And now we're just going to butter up a cake tin. Obviously wash your hands thoroughly before you do this, before and after. Now pour in all the cake mixture. Give a little smooth out on top. And then this is going to go into a 170-degree oven for about 20 minutes. Check it after 20 minutes, might need another 5. In the meantime, here we go. Going to take some caster sugar, 300 grams, and to that we're going to add 100 ml of Campari, and this is 600 ml of blood orange juice, so the juice of 8 blood oranges. Wrong size pan, so I had to fix the problem quickly. I could have just took this out of the video, but to be honest, I've got some new pans coming, and this is probably the last, might be one other video these pans are going to feature in. Look at the state of those pans. So yeah. That's all going to change very soon. Give that a nice mix round. Boil it down probably for around about half an hour. It's really a simmer. It looks like heavy boil. It's not. It's a simmer. Do that for about half an hour just till it starts to thicken up a little bit. Take some of that foam off the top. Again, it's probably better equipment to do it, but there you go. Remove the foam. You don't want this to go like a really thick syrup. Still want a little thinness to it. Cake is done. Let that cool slightly. Camera goes blurred there, but it's the only shot I got of how I turned the cake out. So literally put a plate on the top of it and then just flip it over. Put a cocktail stick in here just to, in a moment we're going to pour that syrup all over the top, so it's quite a dense cake. It can be quite dense around the edges. It doesn't go dense, my god, it goes amazing and moist. Cover it in that syrup and just leave it. My mouth watering there. This was an early on slice, obviously if I wanted to have a nice one, but that syrup soaks more and more into the cake over the next day or two, just keeps getting better and better and better. Look how moist it is. Really beautiful. That was with some nice vanilla ice cream on the side. That's it. It was delicious. It was dead easy. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe if you want to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.